Hey guys. Uh-oh. Something's wrong with it. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to, guys. But, yeah. Okay, all better now? Yeah, all better. Anyway, I got some package today. Remember yesterday? The only package I opened for February? But now today I opened these packages for February. Today. Let's see the first one. Alright. Let's see what it is. Oh my. Oh my god. Player. So funny like Pumpkin. I heard about Funny Like Pumpkin before, but I haven't played it in a long time, in 2020. But I finally got it. I finally got the plush toy. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's amazing. I am boyfriend from Friday Night Pumpkin. Bye. Now let's open this one. Next. Oh, sorry about that. With the scissors. Oh, there we go. This. Alright. Now let's open this up. Look at this. Can we go? Oh my god. Sticker. Let's scan them now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look! It's amazing! Wow! 10 bars. 10 Legos. Well. Hello. Hey. What's up, I'm Kenna Wiggle. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!